Have you ever made a decision so small, so random, it felt meaningless? What if I told you that a teenager, hungry and in the wrong place at the wrong time, accidentally triggered a war that killed over 20 million people? This is not fiction. This is how World War I began, with a sandwich. The year is 1914. Europe is a pressure cooker. Empires like Austria-Hungary, Russia, Germany, and Britain are tangled in a web of alliances, colonial ambitions, and military buildups. But no one expects war. Not yet. Until a royal couple takes a drive in a small city you've probably never thought twice about, Sarajevo. Enter Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, and his wife, Sophie. On June 28th, they ride in an open car through the streets of Bosnia, celebrating their anniversary. They're smiling. They don't know what's waiting ahead. Waiting for them are 7 young Serbian nationalists, members of the group known as the Black Hand. Among them, a skinny, tubercular 19-year-old named Gavrilo Princip. Each man is armed. Each one is ready to die for their cause, Serbian independence. At 10:10 a.m., one throws a grenade at the car. Boom! It bounces off the folded-down roof and explodes under the car behind it. Panic, screams, blood. But Franz and Sophie, they survive. The city goes into lockdown. The Archduke cancels his trip, but later changes his mind. He says, "Let's visit the hospital. I want to see the injured officers." The route changes. No one tells the driver. Meanwhile, Gavrilo is devastated. He missed his chance. He failed. He wanders to a local deli and grabs a sandwich. Imagine it. The man who would change the world is just sitting, chewing, thinking about failure. And then, a car turns the corner. The Archduke's car. It stalls, right in front of the sandwich shop. Gavrilo looks up. Is it real? It is. He walks up. 2 shots. Franz Ferdinand and Sophie are dead. In a single moment. No plan, no orders, no grand strategy. Just pure, dumb, terrifying luck. Austria-Hungary blames Serbia. Russia defends Serbia. Germany sides with Austria-Hungary. France steps in. Britain joins. What was once a regional tragedy becomes a global war. By August 1914, the world is on fire. Over the next 4 years, 20 million dead. Empires collapse. Nations rise. The seeds of World War II are planted, and it all traces back to one man, one wrong turn, one sandwich. History is not just dates and battles. It's fragile, chaotic, personal. Sometimes the world changes not because of grand strategies or powerful rulers, but because a nervous 19-year-old sat down to eat. What if the driver hadn't taken that turn? What if Gavrilo had stayed home? Small choices, big consequences. This is why history matters.